Today I'm going to try a new technique. I've put very little water, just enough for the water to boil and steam the potatoes. So I'm going to try steaming the potatoes instead of boiling them today. I put just enough so that after 20 minutes there'll still be some water and it won't dry out. Okay, so we'll see how it turns out. Right, here are my steamed baby new potatoes, Bangla new potatoes, with some Dijon mustard. They are whole grain mustard, as you can see. I just prefer whole grain mustard compared to the other types. So I've taken one of these potatoes, baby new potatoes. They're tiny, as you can see. They're about the size of lime or golf balls. I've sliced them into three. And I put a dollop of Dijon mustard on top. And I tell you, just this, without anything else, without salt, without pepper even, tastes delicious. It's so yummy, I tell you. I can't resist having one now. Dijon mustard, these potatoes are a match made in heaven. Something so simple. And as I mentioned earlier, I had just put a little bit of water in the pot, and then when it was done, I had a look. There were just a few drops of water left. So basically these potatoes were steamed rather than boiled, and they're lovely. If you add a little bit more water, you could have water that you can add to your soup. You can add that to your juicing pulp, especially if you've juiced vegetables like carrot, celery, or even some spices like ginger and turmeric. You can add that pulp into your pressure cooker and water from boiling potatoes, which would have nutrients leached into the water, okay? So it would be a waste to throw them away. And of course, you boil the potatoes with the skin because 95% of the nutrition is in the skin, particularly the antioxidants, because an antiviral and antibacterial and whatever else, because that's what the plant uses to protect the insides from soil microorganisms. Okay, so I'm going to have the rest now. Well, maybe not all, but the rest of these two. And then I'll probably have a fruit salad later as well. That'll be my lunch for today, Saturday, 11th of April, 2020.